Hey everyone, please join us in our short film as we explore nitrogen cycling in watersheds. Today we will focus on the organic matter resulting from livestock and fertilizers. Let's start by taking a look at some common livestock, cows. The effect of the cows on the nitrogen cycle truly starts when the cow releases organic matter, or poops. Their waste is partly made of long hydrocarbon chains with an amide, or nitrogen dihydride, attached. The nitrogen comes from the nitrates in the plants that they consume. When the organic matter is released, it seeps into the ground and undergoes a mineralization reaction. Mineralization is the process where microorganisms break down the organic matter in the soil. The microorganisms release enzymes which oxidize the waste so that it transforms into its mineral form. In this case, the cow poop turns into ammonia.
Fertilizer also plays an important role in nitrogen cycling. Let's take a look at your average farm field. When farmers spray nitrogenous fertilizers on crops, the nitrogen in that fertilizer seeps into the soil. At the same time, when it rains, the rainwater washes the nitrogenous fertilizer downhill in the form of runoff.
The ammonium from the poop and fertilizer undergoes a nitrification reaction where the ammonium is converted to nitrite. This nitrite undergoes a second nitrification and forms nitrate molecules. A combination of the nitrates and nitrites, represented by the pink circles, are absorbed by the local watershed. In this case, the nitrogenous molecules seep into a nearby lake. The runoff from the fertilizers also make their way into this lake. With an excess supply of nitrogen, the algae in the lake thrives. This process is called eutrophication. The algae takes up much of the dissolved oxygen and can form a layer atop of the water. The fish and plants in the lake both die.
This has become a catastrophic issue that has been intensifying as the global population increases. Not only has the inflow of nitrogen increased over time, but we now understand that legacy stores of nitrogen have experienced a time lag, causing nitrogen from many decades ago to still impact nitrogen levels present today. Now that we recognize this pressing issue, we can work towards reducing our use of nitrogen and protecting our planet. Thanks for joining us on this bumpy ride.
Join us next week where we investigate the impacts of Donald Trump on the environment.